is very difficult to predict, and weather is what's happening outside the window right now. Climate is long term, it takes place in wide area, it has seasonal changes. Climate, uh, climate, climate is the average of many years of weather's observation. Next slide. Climate change is the change in weather patterns, that are occurring because of an increase in Earth's average temperature, which is also known as global warming. Next slide. The city's monthly mean maximum temperature has been steadily on the rise 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. Over the last 20 years, the temperature went beyond 26.5 degrees Celsius on over 9 occasions, as opposed to 4 such years in the preceding decade starting 1967. Rains in Bangalore have also turned unpredictable. On an average, Bangalore gets the highest rainfall in the months of September and October, with 195 mm to 180 mm rain. But over the past few years, it has got only 45.3 mm of rain. Next. Previous slide. Bangalore is also known as the urban heat island. This is a classic example of urban heat island. The centers recording the recording are in 2 centers, one in the center of Bangalore and one near the airport. Both the thermometers have a 2 to 3 degree different, but the highest is one which is in the central Bangalore with high consistency. Vehicular pollution. Every year, 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh vehicles add on Bangalore roads every day. Over to Rishu.
Today I am going to tell about the global issues and negative impact of climate change. So global issues. 1990s was the warmest decade in the last millennium. 1998 was the warmest year. Snow cover is decreased by 10% in the last 40 years. The carbon dioxide level in the Earth's atmosphere has increased by 30% in the last 200 years. The Arctic summer sea ice is likely to disappear in the second half of the century. The global temperature change by the end of the century is expected to be as high as 6.4 Celsius. The rise in sea level by the end of the century is expected to be 28 centimeter to 43 centimeter. And now the negative impacts. In Asia alone, more than billions of people will face water shortage by 2050. India's annual rainfall change can cause severe droughts and intense flooding, increase in waterborne diseases like cholera and hepatitis, and diseases carried by insects like malaria. Over to the
climate change. Climate change is the most major problem in everyone's life. And this cannot be fixed by any scientist or agency or government. It's we who can fix it. There are some combat strategies which help in reducing climate change, such as we can walk or ride a bicycle instead of driving a car. We can use compact fluorescent light bulbs instead of, as they are energy efficient. We can put lid on vessels when cooking. Use of carpools whenever possible. Unplug the electrical appliances when fully charged and turn off electrical appliances when not in use. Use of pressure cookers whenever possible. And now the best way is by the 3 R's: renew, recycle and reuse. Now, about the effects of climate change. The major effects of climate change are an average increase in Earth's temperature, melting of polar ice, due to which the polar bears and other animals are getting endangered. Migrating birds are forced to change their timings and place of migration. Melting of glaciers, due to which the sea level increases and cause of floods. Longer summers can disrupt the animal's habitat. New and widespread diseases can occur due to warm climate. And average precipitation, there will be an increase in average precipitation around the world. So I would like to conclude by saying that it's you who can, you can choose to save the earth. So take a pledge to adopt these strategies and let's all join hands to make the earth smile again. Thank you.
Thank you.